What's the difference between Pansori living sound and mantra?
There is a difference because in mantra singing you repeat a mantra many times and you connect to the resonating field of that mantra that is already existing. And in Pansori living sound, the singing is related directly to the field of resonance that is present in the encounter between the client and the person who is singing. And there you never repeat anything. The sounds of Pansori living sound are always new, always connected to the situation that is present at the moment, to the person that is present, and there is no repeating the same sound over and over again. The new sound, the next sound, can be very different from the sound that went before. So that's a big difference.